Here's what we'll be working with today. I got some low sodium beef broth, some lemons, jalapeno peppers, an onion, which I'm going to char, and some noodles. Now these are not the rice noodles and the correct noodles for pho, but we like these noodles, so we're going to use these type of noodles. And this is our spices that we're going to use. We're going to toast them up, and when we get started, here in just a few minutes, I'll show you how I'm going to char this onion. I call this cheating, but also call it get all that char smell in the house. The reason why I do it this way. Plus it's a little bit quicker. All right, we got them all charred up. The studies that I've found that it's important to have the charred onion in for the flavor and close to being authentic as possible. All right, here we go. We're gonna make us some pho, and here we got the pho spices, and we're going to put them in the Instapot and toast them up. And we'll let them go about 2 minutes, and just about tell when it's ready when they start popping like popcorn. And we got the Instapot on saute on hot. And the spices in there are anise seed, cinnamon, fennel seeds, cloves, coriander seeds. And all we're doing is just bringing the oils to the surface and bringing out their fragrance. We'll give them a couple of minutes and we'll come back. All right, now that we got the spices warmed up, we're gonna pour them in this old handy bag that come with the spices. And we're gonna give it a seal it up. And I'll get the, all right, and we'll put it, all right. We put the beef broth in there. Now, you can get the low sodium bone broth and use it, but we're using the low sodium beef broth. All right, it'd be 2 quarts of that. And we'll fill these up with water and add that in there to it. I know this isn't the authentic way of doing this, but it's a shortcut way that I've come up with, and we enjoy it. Okay, now to that we're going to add, be very careful with this stuff right here, fish sauce. It don't take much. About a teaspoon. Hoisin sauce. going to use about 2 tablespoons. And we're going to use a little bit of ginger, just a little squeeze of ginger. That's it. All right, we're going to stir that up and get it up to tip. Oh, we're going to add the charred onion to it. Now, the charred onion, from what I've read over the years, is something that's real important to help give it the taste and color. We'll put that in there. And when it gets hot, we'll put it on for about 8 minutes. Okay, we did our 8 minutes and we let it do a natural steam release. And now we'll retrieve the spice bag and the onion. And then we'll turn it back up on high saute and get the water boiling, and we'll do our next step. Okay, now that we got the broth at a rolling boil, we got our flank steak cut up, and we'll drop it down in real easy, and we're gonna leave that in there for about, I don't know, about 5 minutes while we drop our noodles in. We'll be back. All right, after we got the meat down in the soup, the broth, we'll put a couple pieces on here. You look like a nerd, dude. Like weird. Okay. We'll get a ladle of the soup, broth, whatever you want to call it.
What got me was the face the boy made.
A bit more.
When he slid it under that.
For me.
Like he had just crossed over into the criminal realm.
And I want some bean sprout.
Oh. I got up and I went, my bun turned into a pancake.
Hey, those were finer ones are the way to go.
And some jalapeno.
Somehow she said that she bought them for today, but
Probably need about 4 to the bowl, maybe more. And we're going to need some raw onion. Thinly slice off on a mandolin. A couple of wedges of lime.
She goes back up there and Chris goes, oh man, I said,
and this is for real. Thai basil. See by the purple stalk.
What did Jill with you?
All right, I'm gonna put me about four leaves on there. All right, I enjoy doing this for you. Like I said, just invite somebody to your table, make a memory, and put a smile on somebody's face. See you next time. Bye.